Hormones in animals. In our earlier topic, we have learned how nervous system is involved in control and coordination in the beings. Apart from the nervous system, the other systems in our body is also involved in control and coordination, which is endocrine system. As we learned earlier, just like plant hormones which involves in growth of the plants, animal hormones do not bring about directional growth but promotes controlled growth in various areas to maintain the body structure. The chemicals that are secreted in animals which are involved in control and coordination are called as hormones. The hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. The collection of different endocrine glands constitutes as endocrine system. The hormones that are secreted from endocrine glands are released directly into blood and targets on specific organ to regulate the body. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. They doesn't have duct. There are 8 endocrine glands in human body. They are 1. Pineal gland, 2. Pituitary gland, 3. Thyroid and parathyroid gland, 4. Thymus, 5. Pancreas, 6. Adrenal gland, 7. Testis, 8. Ovaries. Endocrine gland. Hypothalamus. Location, forebrain. Hormone. Functions. Main center and relay station of endocrine system. Pineal gland. Location, forebrain. Hormone. Luteinizing and follicle stimulating hormone, oxytocin and other hormones. Functions. Brings ovulation and maintains corpus luteum. Oxytocin in uterine contraction and releasing breast milk. Pituitary gland. Location, forebrain. Hormone, growth hormone. Functions. Regulates growth and development of body. If sufficient growth hormone is not secreted by pituitary gland in childhood, body growth will be affected. This condition is called dwarfism. If it is secreted in large amount, the growth of bones and limbs will be more. Such a person looks as a giant. This condition is called gigantism. Thyroid and parathyroid gland. Location, windpipe trachea. Hormone, thyroxine hormone. Functions. Controls carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism. Iodine is necessary to secrete thyroxine. If iodine is deficient in our diet, thyroid gland increases in size and swollen neck. Thymus. Location, on trachea nearer to heart. Hormone, thymosin. Functions. Activates immune system. Pancreas. Location, below stomach. Hormone, insulin. Functions. Regulates blood sugar levels. Adrenal gland. Location, above kidney. Hormone, adrenaline. Functions. Prepares the body to deal with emergency situations. Testis. Location, male sex organ. Hormone, testosterone. Functions. Causes development of sexual organs and secondary sexual characteristics in males. Ovaries. Location, female sex organ. Hormone, estrogen. Functions. Causes development of sexual organs and secondary sexual characteristics in females. Now let us learn how the hormones work in our body. For example, we have learned adrenaline hormone acts in preparing to deal with emergency situations. Now let us find in detail how it prepares in such situation. In case of emergency situations, adrenal glands release adrenaline into blood, which acts on heart and other tissues, increase heartbeat, sends more oxygen to muscles, reduces blood supply to digestive system and skin, diverts blood to skeletal muscles, increase in breathing rate. Hormones not only act in emergency situations but also involve in coordination. Any deficiency of hormones or excessive release of hormones leads to disorders in the human body. Example, insulin deficiency leads to diabetes. Thyroid deficiency leads to hypothyroidism. Excess thyroid leads to hyperthyroidism or goiter. So, it is very important for hormones to secrete in precise quantities.